on, guys? So most of you guys wanted the update video on the black DONZI, so today's the day. We're here at Performance Boat Center. They're in Fort Lauderdale off of Sheridan Street and 995. Looks like the Snap-on truck is reloading them. We're gonna go get you a little update video on the black DONZI. Both DONZIs side by side to each other. They're both getting some work done, so it's been a few weeks since I haven't seen this beauty. But here's your little update video that you guys wanted. Let's climb up here and show you guys what's going on. Oh man, this looks beautiful. Ta-da! They're out, guys. Engines are out. They're getting refreshed. They're getting refreshed and they're getting some upgrades done to them. So let's see if we find, oh shit. See if we find the engines.
The motors literally have 32 hours on the computer, but they were assembled in 2009, so they're due for a refresh.
So what are we doing to upgrade these motors? They're 1075s.
We're going up in displacement to 608s, lowering the compression.
Why are you lowering the compression?
So I can use better fuel, so I don't have to worry about the fuel issue or causes of detonation. We're going bigger overall size and reliability on the lifter and the valve train system. And we're working on the computers and the supercharger system.
So you're gonna
increase it to 1200, anywhere between 12 to 1225.
1200 to 1225. And it's gonna be the same.
A Whipple Stage 4 upgrade.
That's what it's called, a Whipple Stage 4 upgrade. Okay. And is it gonna be the same? Is it gonna be the same Whipples, just tuned? Okay. And a bigger cam?
Yeah, the different cam, different lifters.
This is the port side or this is the starboard side?
Starboard.
That's the starboard side engine?
Motor.
That's the rear?
This is the one giving the problems with the IX.
Okay. Are we waiting for Jose? Jose's gonna come now?
Alright. We're gonna condition this motor.
No, the motor looks perfect. There's no corrosion. Like, look at these fittings. Everything. I'm getting transmission. This is...
That's not the new one. No,
this is not the new one? Oh, okay. But... yeah. I like this thing though. I like this old school Magnum. Definitely super cool. Imagine slapping in both of those engines onto this thing. Boat will fly. You're buying some new tools?
Always.
Always. Man. This is definitely the setup right here.
End plates where the bearings were, the seals went bad.
Holy fuck. You send pictures of this?
Yeah. And fucking shredded and then on top of that it ate up the shafts.
And where does that go?
That's a water pump.
That's the water pump?
This is the center shaft for all the impellers. But the impellers here, the impellers here.
Oh yeah, they're not even bent.
Those are the new ones.
Oh.
Here are the old ones, but they're
They're
one piece, yeah. So, you know, this was, you know.
Could it be slipping in there?
No, because this is a direct drive. It's got that flat spot on there.
Yeah.
So those impellers aren't going to slip. The only thing, you know, this was doing this, moving around, but I don't think that was the cause of the overheat. I just got the parts on Monday, and I'm trying to get him going for the weekend. I know he's got Boca Bass this weekend, so.
Is this weekend or next weekend?
It's this weekend coming up.
Okay. So it's gonna be a long weekend for me. I'm going to Key West on Saturday.
Are you?
For the Island Runners.
And then you're gonna come back for
Boca Bass.
Boca Bass? Yeah, it's gonna be a long weekend for you. They put everything, they marked everything else. So, you know, when we took it apart, I told them, listen, I don't want anything getting lost. So everything should be in bags and
So we should be able to see 130 now.
Saw it before.
We saw 127. 127 is, and it did it like nothing too.
Well, we weren't parked right.
Yeah, you're good. Can you shift it a little bit more towards me? Just a little bit?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're off to Cobra Power. We're leaving Performance Marine. If you guys have any Go Fast boats, or any boats in general, you guys need some service down here in South Florida, hit up Performance Marine, Performance Boat Center. They're awesome guys, to be honest with you. Talk to Jose, he'll make sure to take care of you. Tell him that Lewis from the Black DONZI sent you guys for that extra discount. So let's go. We got the engine strapped up to the dually, and we're heading south. Some big power here. Here's our engine right there, guys.
My son.
Hi.
Big guy. Huh? Yeah.
Those are the old heads?
Yeah.
Both engines are getting new heads or only? That's crazy. Oh, this is corrosion. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
There's two more.
So what are you doing now? Porting the intake?
Yeah, they're ported. It's all done by the nice.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
That's all done. I'm just clearing the push rod, won't make it through.
Okay.
Look how tight this little hole.
Wow. So we're here at Cobra Power, guys. What's his name? Randy? The owner's name is Randy, right?
Randy.
That's Randy.
Randy Garza.
We're waiting for him. He's porting or he's cleaning up the new heads that we're gonna be putting on the engine.
Yeah,
So
modifying them so they can pour it out and all match port and polish up the oils.
okay. I'm gonna have him explain a little bit more of what we're doing to the engine and stuff. But it's a super cool old school shop, machine shop. I know a lot of you guys are gonna enjoy this content. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share it to all your Go Fast friends, and let's go. This is gonna be a new little series I know you guys are gonna enjoy. I'm gonna be bouncing back from shop to shop, recording everything. So let's go. We're waiting for him to finish up those heads for
Randy, Alex, on the one.
that was loud.
I saw Velocity. She went like this, and I went like this, and Benny Hanna went in between us, and the other one that kept straight was that 35 just went like this straight, and we went like this, and I saw Velocity go under the wave, bro, and I went like this, and I stopped, and finally they bobbled up, and they had a seaplane going up, and they dropped, which was rare back then, because they had just started doing it that year.
What do you mean they dropped? What did they drop?
They dropped a frogman.
Okay.
They had a seaplane, and he would come like this, and he'd do like about 10 miles an hour, and he'd drop. Nah, they were just all volunteers. But when I finally got to Nassau, Rocky came up to me. He goes to me and Rolly. He goes, "You guys there? We saw you, because I'm glad that you stopped, because I was gonna stop." And that meant a lot to me, that he was willing to stop also. You understand? Sorry, at that time, those guys would go in open class. Let me tell you what open class was. You go to the fish trial, everybody puts 100 grand. Whoever gets to Nassau gets a time, and whoever gets baguettes. There's no such thing as a black flag. There's no such thing as a problem. If you bring un velero, however you got there and however you got back. But that's where the Harms Trophy was.
I wish that was still around.
No, vaya. Acabaron aquí, eso, antes de montarlo aquí estaba así. Mira aquí también, acabaron con esto. Imagínate, man. Okay.
All right, my motor. Get the strap out.
Yeah, we're gonna get it off right here.
Yeah, just put it down so we can get it up.
Yep.
Avoid exactly that.
Figure we could do it at like level.
How do you feed this? Cobra Power, the leader in performance engines. You guys can see that.
Oh yeah. These are my valves. These are my.
That's what I look for. Que no tenga luz. Like, I got some around there. Que también me fits. That's like access schedule. Man, it's a policy stems, a policy tips, and there's
Good
You guys
idea.
send out the rockers yet?
the rockers. They got a package that. But what's it? What's it about?